Hello guys, welcome to another piano tutorial lesson. So today I'll be teaching you how to play Mary Did You Know. It's a beautiful Christmas song. And Merry Christmas to wherever you're watching from. May God bless your household and may you celebrate with love. And so I'm going to play this song in the key of C, and I'll play it in two ways. Alright, play it in a contemporary and in a classical way, so that you see how when you blend these two it's so magnificent and beautiful, guys. So I'm going to play the song, then I'll give you a full piano tutorial later. Okay, let's go. Mary, did you know that your baby Alright, so let's go, guys. Mary, did you know that your baby boy will someday walk on water? Mary, did you know that your baby boy will save our sons and daughters? Did you know that your baby boy has come to make you new? This child that you deliver will soon deliver you. Oh, Mary, did you know? The blind will see, the deaf will hear, the dead will live again. The lame will live, dumb will speak, the praises of the Lord. Mary, did you know that your baby boy is Lord of all creation? Mary, did you know that your baby boy will one day rule the nation? Did you know that your baby boy is heaven's perfect lamb? The sleeping child you're holding is the great I am. Mary, did you know? I see the devil breathe, the devil live again. Lame will leave, dumb will speak, the praises of the Lamb. Alright guys, so that's kind of the breakdown of the song. It's very lovely and emotional with some lovely feelings. Alright, so the song I'm going to start with in a contemporary manner. Alright, contemporary manner, like just worship. Okay, so the chord progression of the first line, like the verse, okay, it's a 6. Remember, we are playing the key of C. Alright, do re mi fa sol la ti do. So it's 6. This A minor, we go to G major, F major, and 3 E minor. Alright, so that's simple. Mary, did you 6? And alright, so that's it. Mary, did you know 6 at your bed? Alright, so this is it. Mary, did you 6 that your baby boy 5 will someday 4 walk on water? 3 minor. Then the same thing again. Mary, did you know? So there are other verses, but the same thing. Alright, so Mary, did you know 6 that your baby boy will save his sons and 3 minor. That's E minor. Daughters. Now, did you know the same thing that your baby 5 B-boy. Now you don't play 4 this time around. You go to 3. Has come to make you. Okay, come to make you new. Go back to 6. Now the other chords that follow is D minor. This child, alright, D minor. This child, I'm playing inversion here. That's D minor. This child that you, they go to 3, delivered, E minor, delivered, who soon, yeah, you can do a passing chord, soon delivered you, you could come back to 6. So this child, D minor, and E minor, passing chord to the A minor. Alright, now you go oh me, ready to know. Hello, oh me, G major, did it to A minor. Okay, now the chorus. Okay, the blind will see. So that's where I like to use a classical there. Blind will see the so it's still the same thing. The A minor and G major and alright and F major. Now before you get to the E, this is what you do. So mi fa mi fa mi re mi re mi fa mi re do re do re do ti la. I take it again. Alright, so it's when you are doing that, you are also moving with the left. Alright. See, you are going with a broken chord. So the blind see the dark. So you make that effect of the band-aid should be felt. The blind see the dark will live again. So that's kind of. So when you do that, guys, the other part is the same thing. You know, then you do. So when you are done with that, the blind will see the devil live again, that will live again. Now, let them live. Do it. Now, what you do? And on that, let them live. Go to 4, 5. Don't we speak the presence of the Lamb. Go to 3. Right, that's E minor. Then you go back. Mary the tune. I go back to classical. I just click the Mary the tune. A minor. That's your baby boy. G major is Lord of all creation. Mary, did you know that your baby is the same chord progression? That your baby boy will one day rule the nation. Alright. Then you go to did you know? Okay, guys, so then you go to did you know that your baby boy is the same thing? You go, did you know that your baby boy? Did you know that your baby boy? So you go to did you know the same thing? That your baby boy is heaven's perfect lamb. Alright. So go 2, just as we did from the beginning, guys. So, this sleeping child, you're holding 3 minor. You're holding is the great, like the passing chord, Zila. Then you go back, the blind will see. Alright, guys, so that's the breakdown of the song. Please do it, subscribe to my channel. God bless you.